Hi, I'm Luann Hammond, DrivingTheNation.com. I am here with Hagan Schoenfield. He is the Doctor of Chemical Engineering for Continental AG.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome to our R&D headquarters here in Hannover, being responsible for all development areas for tires.
And this is the headquarters for tire research and development for Continental AG.
Yes, this is the main headquarters for tire R&D for our company.
How important are the compounds in the tire versus the pattern of the tire?
The compounds having the biggest importance on a tire because they are on the one hand side in contact to the asphalt, to the surface, so they determine the main properties like rolling resistance, like grip behavior. So you need an appropriate pattern, for example, with the right compound in order to maximize or optimize the performance criteria like rolling resistance.
In your testing here at Continental, you have strict requirements of how warm the room should be, how long you warm up the tire, even you make your own snow so that you have consistent testing for every type of tire.
Yes. It depends on the type of test. You have requirements, let's say, from the legal side on the one hand, when it comes to testing temperatures, run-in procedures for a tire, or even if you determine just material properties, also there's a special request regarding temperature of the facility, of the room, humidity, even when it comes to testing of textiles, of reinforcements.
You even make some of your own patterns by hand, just so that you can decide which patterns will be the most fuel efficient, if it's fuel efficiency or rolling resistance or wear. You test all year long. These machines are not going off at all.
No, basically we test 24/7 in the tire testing area, in the lab testing area of material tests. And as you said, we have our own prototype tire carving facility where we can manually create first pattern ideas on a tire without investing in a cost-intensive mold to produce a full tire.
Your group alone has 10,000 different compounds per year that they test, 250,000 types of tests that they do every year. What have you learned from that type of testing?
We have learned, for example, that specific compound properties or specific compound changes do different things on different surfaces, for example. So what might help for traction or for braking on snow and ice does not necessarily help for a good traction behavior on asphalt, on wet asphalt, on concrete, for example. So we really learn to modify the compounds in the way of the special application that you need the tire at the end.